Hello, my budgeting babes out there, grateful gang members. I just want to tell you that today was a struggle for me because it's Prime Day and I have a Prime membership. And there were things that I wanted, and it wasn't even a lot. It was about $56. And in my mind, I was like, I can just put this on my Discover card and just pay it back. But I am trying to build back trust with myself. I have failed myself too many times. I said I wasn't going to do something and I did it anyway. And I'm trying to break that cycle with myself. I do a lot of things for other people and don't want to disappoint them. And I'm sure some of you understand. You don't want to disappoint others, so you make sure you get something done that you say you're going to get done. Remember to do the same for yourself, as I remember to do the same for myself as well. So as much as I want the things that are in my cart, literally, I can make you understand why I should get this Brita water filter. I'm saving on water. I can make you understand why I want the serum for my face. It's breaking out. I want to try something new. And whatever the other thing is in there, right? I can tell you why I need it, why it's a need and not a want, and all the things. But I have a card that I'm trying to pay down on right now, and that is not a necessity. None of those things that I listed are a necessity that I need right now. And I said I wasn't going to do something. So building trust in yourself is important. Keeping promises to yourself is important. So sis, bro, grateful gang member, listen, if you don't have money set aside for that Prime Day, don't buy it. All right, love you guys. Bye.